Pulit Reserve Shillong Kylla de Kakam te lakam ki briew ki pyndait de silencer Kyang-Shla haki arshaka lani haki kali be tyllun sharum shaneng hakini nongbah. Haka khatlai tarik Nohprah ki Pulit kilo yobat shispa propoi tyllli ki kali ki pyndonkam de silencer Kyang-Shla ki pynwit ki briew shnong thaw bat lynti synkien da kaba tyllliat Lyngknap yaki haki shaka jong ka koram ha kerdem surok lani ka road roller ban ajing shneng ki trai jong kini ki kali. Ya kajing tyllliat Lyngknap ikini ki silencer lale ha Police Reserve Shillong ha kajing don nang USP East Khasi Hills uba Sylvester Nongtnger but USP City uba Vivek Syiem.
What do you want to tell the people, those who are using vehicles, that either four-wheelers or two-wheelers, that they should not alter anything. Whatever they bought from the company, that it should not fit with this modified silencers or even the tinted glass also that will come later. So they should not alter anything. They should use the vehicle whatever they receive from the company. And we'll do it crushing today. Perhaps maybe in future we'll do that. Maybe we can sell to the scrap this and that. But then as of now, we want to show to the people that we mean business and we are crushing it, and we are not, because somebody says that perhaps we are resale it, no? So we are not doing that, and you have seen with your own eyes that we'll crush it and it cannot be reused again. Okay. We have detected since January of this year. Okay, so now it's running for 1 year.
Seizing the silencer starts from the month of August only. So we have seized since the month of August, and we have got 181. Prior to that, we didn't seize.
Prior to that, as I said earlier, we request the owners to remove on their own. But then we realized that later on that some again we detected, the same which we have detected in the earlier part. So then we realized that we need to seize. So then that's why we seized 181 from August of this year till yesterday. So and we'll continue that, and under the leadership of SP Traffic, Mr. Prasad, and two DSP, Mr. Joel and David's there. So they'll constantly monitor not only this silencer, the other thing driving, and also as earlier SPCT says that we request all the youngsters, all the drivers, that don't drink before driving, be it two-wheelers or four-wheelers, okay? Because once you drink, maximum of all the accidents as per the record in Shillong city is because of the drunken, and many because of drunken. Otherwise, if you don't drink before driving, then I think this will reduce the fatal or reduce the what called accidents in Shillong city, especially in the highway. So our request is that nobody should drink before they sit in the seat belt, in the steering, or in a two-wheeler. Shillong traffic teams is working hard to seize all this modified silencer. So you have since last year we started, this year we started from January until date. We have seized 320 we have detected, but then we have seized 181. Previously, when we detected, we request the owner to to remove on their own. But then we realized that later that some are again using it. So when we realized that, then now we have seized this 181, so which will be destroyed shortly now, and the STP will continue to detect all the modified silencer which is not authorized by law. So we'll continue to do that, and right now, which is and fine also we have
12 lakhs for this year only. 12 lakhs 46,500.
Okay, for this year we realized fines from all this modified silencer about 12 lakhs 46,500, and that has been deposited to the government checker, the state treasury. So that's all, and when we crash again next time, we'll call you again. Thank you.